Looking to save on data usage with your Google Pixel 9? The Data Saver feature is a great tool to help you minimize data consumption by background apps. Here's how you can set it up. First, open the Settings app on your Pixel 9. Next, tap on Network and Internet. Then, select Data Saver. Finally, toggle the switch to enable Data Saver. If you want to check for which apps have unrestricted data usage, tap Unrestricted Data and scroll through the list of apps. You can enable or disable the switches next to the apps you want to have unrestricted data. And that's all there is to it. With Data Saver activated, you'll see a reduction in data usage, which is especially handy if you're on a limited data plan or in an area with spotty coverage. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.